So here in previous videos we discussed the how the ore concentration will be increases and different type of the methods will be present, and similarly the methods which will be involved in the metal is converted to their metal oxide. So now here we discuss the another step, that is the reduction of the metal from its metal oxide. So reduction of the metal oxide into the metal, nothing but reduction of the metal oxide into the metal. This is the another step. So here this reduction of metal oxide into the metal, this process is also called as a electronation process. It is also called as a electronation process. Why? Because the metal oxide reduced into the metal, it is called as electronation, means here which process will be involved? Reduction. What is that? Reduction will be involved. Reduction means nothing but what is that? Addition of electrons. Adding of electrons. Addition of electrons. Electrons will be added. Simply that is called as a electronation, means electrons is added. So simply it is called as a electronation process. So reduction of the metal oxide into the metal, reduction of metal oxide into the metal. This is also known as electronation process. So here we have to know the pyrometallurgy method. Pyrometallurgy means nothing but it is a process of extraction of metal by heating the metal oxide with the suitable reducing agent, that is called as a pyrometallurgy, and this pyrometallurgy also known as thermal reduction process. Okay students, pyrometallurgy means nothing but the extraction of the metal by heating the metal oxide with suitable reagent, with suitable reducing reagent, that is called as a pyrometallurgy. Here in this process we are heating the metal oxide, so that is also known as thermal reduction process. Simple. Pyrometallurgy means we are reduce the metal oxide into the metal by using the suitable reducing reagents. So what are act as a reducing reagent means, example, carbon or carbon monoxide, coke or carbon monoxide will act as a reducing reagent. For example, extraction of iron metal, example extraction of copper metal, example extraction of tin and zinc metal. In this metal extraction we are using the suitable reducing reagent is coke or carbon monoxide. Okay students, for extraction of wolfram, titanium, chromium, manganese, we are using the sodium, aluminum, magnesium and hydrogen gas as a reducing reagents. Okay students, sodium, aluminum, magnesium, hydrogen act as a reducing reagents for extraction of wolfram, titanium, chromium and manganese metals. Example, extraction of wolfram metal, hydrogen gas is act as a reducing reagent. So for example, extraction of titanium, magnesium is act as a reducing reagent. Example, extraction of chromium and manganese, the aluminum is act as a reducing reagent. Okay students, and another reducing reagent is water gas. Water gas means nothing but CO plus H2. CO plus H2. This mixture is called as a water gas. So this water gas is also act as a reducing reagent for the extraction of the nickel metal. For the extraction of the nickel metal, which will be act as a reducing reagent, CO plus H2 mixture, that is the water gas. So these are using as a suitable reducing reagents. Next method is the smelting. Smelting means nothing but it is the thermochemical process. So smelting means nothing but it is a thermochemical process. So the extraction of the metal from their metal oxide, when we are using the carbon or carbon monoxide as a reducing reagent, that process is called as a smelting process. Okay students, simple. Extraction of the metal from their metal oxide, when we using the carbon or carbon monoxide as a reducing reagent, then that process is called as a smelting process. In this smelting process, the metal is extracted in molten state. Metal is extracted in molten state. So in this smelting process, we are using the flux for removing the impurity like a gangu. So in the smelting process, when we are extracted the metal in molten state, during this extraction process, we are using the flux for the removing the impurity like gangu. So this is about the information of smelting. For example, here extraction of the iron. So iron oxide means metal oxide, when here the reducing reagent is coke. So the metal iron is extracted in the molten form. Iron is extracted in the molten form by the elimination of the carbon monoxide. Okay students, metal oxide to extraction of the metal in the molten state, we are using the coke as a reducing reagent. So this process is called as a smelting. During this process, we are using the slag, we are using the flux. For example, here the SiO2. For example, SiO2 is act as a flux, and the gangu impurity is the calcium oxide. During the extraction of the iron from their ore, which is act as a impurity, calcium oxide is act as a impurity like a gangu. So here in this smelting process, we are adding the flux. So SiO2 is act as a flux. When we are adding the flux to the gangu, so flux is react with the gangu and it can be eliminated as a slag. For example, SiO2 is added to the CaO gangu. When it is reacted with the flux with the CaO gangu, it can be eliminated calcium silicate in the form of the slag. So this is the meaning about the smelting process. Smelting process. So here we discuss the reduction of the metal oxide into the metal. So on that reduction of the metal oxide into the metal, that process is also known as a electronation process. So here in this we are using the pyrometallurgy. Pyrometallurgy means nothing but extraction of the metal from their metal oxide. So we are heating the metal oxide in presence of the suitable reducing reagent, that is called as a pyrometallurgy, and the pyrometallurgy also called as a thermal reduction process. And coke and carbon monoxide is act as a reducing reagents. Water gas is also act as a reducing reagent. Aluminum, magnesium, hydrogen gas is also act as a reducing reagents. So smelting process. Smelting means the extraction of the metal from their metal oxide when we are using the coke or carbon monoxide as a reducing reagent, that is called as a smelting process. So in the smelting process, the metal can be extracted in molten form, and in this smelting process, the gangu impurity can be removed when we are adding the flux. So the gangu is reactive with the flux, it can be eliminated in form of the slag. This is the information about the smelting. Next here we discuss the auto reduction. Auto reduction means nothing but self reduction. So for example, here the silver sulfide react with the oxygen. So here the silver can be act as a reduction reagent. So it can be extracted in form of the silver. So this is the self reduction, auto reduction process. It is also used in the another example. For example, Ce2S, cuprous sulfide react with the cuprous oxide. Here this step is involved for extraction of the copper metal. So cuprous sulfide react with the cuprous oxide, which will be act as a reducing reagent for the extraction of the copper oxide. Okay student? So copper extraction, so sulfide form and oxide form will be act as a reducing reagent. So it is called as a auto reduction, self reduction. So same metal will act as a reducing reagent, that is called as a auto reduction or self reduction. This auto reduction or self reduction is used in the extraction of the copper from their ore. Next method is the hydrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy means nothing but the process of extraction of metal by dissolving the ore in suitable chemical reagent. What is that? Hydrometallurgy means the process of extraction of the metal by the dissolving the ore in suitable chemical reagent and precipitate of metal by more electropositive metal is called as a hydrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy means nothing but, students, what is the meaning of hydrometallurgy? Hydrometallurgy means when the extraction of the metal, the ore is dissolved in suitable chemical reagent. When it is dissolved in suitable chemical reagent, the precipitate will be formed. So that precipitate is reactive with the more electropositive metal. That process is called as a hydrometallurgy. It can be easily understood by using the simple example. For example, silver glance. Here extraction of this silver, the ore is the silver glance, that is the Ag2S. It is reactive with the suitable chemical reagent, that is the sodium cyanide. Okay student, ore is reactive with the suitable chemical reagent, example sodium cyanide. When it will be formed the precipitate, this is the precipitate, that is the sodium argentocyanide, this is the precipitate. So that precipitate is reactive with the more electropositive, this is the more electropositive metal. Compare with which metal? Our extracted metal, silver. Okay student, this precipitate react with the more electropositive metal. Compare with our extracted metal, that is the silver. Okay, so precipitate react with the more electropositive metal, then the metal will be extracted, means the silver will be extracted. This process is called as a hydrometallurgy process. Okay student, this is the meaning about the hydrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy means nothing but the ore is dissolving by the suitable chemical reagent. When it is dissolved in suitable chemical reagent, the precipitate will be formed. That precipitate again react with a metal. That metal will having the more electropositive nature. When it is react with that electropositive nature metal, immediately the metal will be separated from that precipitate. This process will be called as a hydrometallurgy process. So this is the meaning about the smelting, auto reduction and hydrometallurgy process.